Hi, my name is David, and I am going to show you how to add and edit lines. I will show you how to create a line, move it, and change the start and end point using the mouse. I will also show you how to edit the line's properties using the Properties panel. The first thing to do is create a line. Make sure the Add Ribbon tab is selected. Now click on the Add Line button and move the cursor to the position of the start of the line in the viewport. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse. The line will take shape. Releasing the left mouse button will end the line creation. The line is now created. We will now edit the line. To move the line, hold down the left mouse button over the line and drag the mouse. The line will follow. Release the left mouse button when the line is in the position you want. To move either end of the line, hold down the left mouse button over either end of the line and drag the mouse. Release the left mouse button when the line is in the position you want. Another way to move either end of the line is to first select the line by clicking on it. You will see two manipulator points at either end of the line. Hold down the left mouse button over either end of the line and drag the manipulator point using the mouse. Release the left mouse button when the line is in the position you want. To change the color of the line, select the line by clicking on it. Now, click on any of the colored patches in the color panel at the bottom of the viewport. Now I am going to modify some of the properties of a line using the Properties panel. To change the thickness of the line, you will need to use the Properties panel. If the Properties panel is not visible, select the Panels tab. Now click on the Properties button in the Properties panel. The Properties panel will appear. In this case on the left. If you do not see the property editor for the line, make sure the line is selected by clicking on it. You can see edit boxes for the start and end points of the line. Entering new values will change the start or end point of the line. There is a checkbox below the endpoint editor. This is the Do Not Block Wiring checkbox. If this is checked, then when you add schematic wires, they will not try an auto route around the line. You will mainly use this when creating symbols. To set the line style, expanded the Line Style tab. You can change the line style from a solid line to a patterned line. You can set the line's width. You can set the start or end cap of the line. You can also change the line's color using the color controls. To prevent the line being accidentally moved, you can lock it. This brings this tutorial video to a close. I suggest you create a new project and practice creating lines and changing their properties. It will be time well spent. Thanks for watching.